we were kind of running at maybe a 60% OEE on one of our lines, and now we're up I mean, almost every single time we're up at like 80%.
Wow.
Which has been significant. Scrap rates have decreased significantly as well. I mean, we used to have maybe 2 to 3% would be our average rework and scrap, and now we're down to like 1 to 2 units. I mean, we're in the decimals when it comes to the fraction of scrap. So yeah, and it all just kind of comes down to having that visibility. You know, it's like I kind of use the analogy of driving down the road. It's like you can look at your speedometer to see your speed, you know, but if you don't have a speedometer, you have no idea how fast you're going. So it's really nice to be able to see just right in front of all the operators, like how they're doing,
Right.
getting that performance metric and making changes. You know, if they're going slow, they can make changes right then and there. So